Hello everyone, welcome back.
Next, we have to make the lines like this as shown in the video. Now, after that, we have to draw the hairs like this. Now, make the hands and legs. Make the buttons and then make the legs. Now, again, we have to draw a circle. Make the lines like this on the face. So, here we are making an old man and an old lady. Make its ears, dress, hands and the buttons like this. Draw her legs, color them and it's ready. Next, we have to draw the lines like this or the small dots you can say using different colors. So you can see how we are making the triangle like shapes. Again, make the black lines on the top of it. So making the hairs of them. Make their hands. So here we are making the belly dancers. So now after that, after making the ballet dancers legs and hands, we'll be making different postures of the dance steps and it's done. I hope you liked it. Look how beautiful it's looking. You can also make the shadow like this. Next, take a color and then we have to write a R, then turn it into a B and then fill the color inside it. Now, make the face of the girl. Make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Make its legs. Now after that, make the hands of it. Now make the lines as shown in the video. Now after making the hands and raindrops and it's done. Next we have to make a circle. Draw the hairs. So that's not the correct way. Let's move on to the correct way. So draw the lines. Make the ears, eyes, nose and the mouth of it. Now you can see we have made it shoulder. Make the collar and the bow like this. Make the long hairs of the girl. Cover it and then make a bow on the top like this. And it's done. Next we'll be drawing the lines and make a face. So now after that, make its eyes, ears and then the collar like this. So you can see we have made the hairs of it like this on the top. You can make the ponytail or the plaited hairs on the sides of the girl like this. Now make the lines over the hairs as shown in the video and it's done. Next, write the S like this to make the hairs. Make the face. Make the eyes, nose and the ears of it. Now make the lines like this to make the shoulder. Now after that, make her long hairs like this on the sides. Cover it and it's done. Don't forget to color the collar of the girl like this. Next, write a R or the K and then join the lines. Draw the lines and fill the color inside it. Make the face of the girl. Make the eyes, nose and the mouth. Make her hands and the legs like this of the girl as shown in the video. Color it and it's ready. Next, we have to draw the S letter like this. Make the face, ears, eyes, nose and the mouth of it. Now, make the collar and the shoulder of the girl. Make the bow like this on the top and it's done. Thanks for watching a video.